Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to generate the contour from the raster. So the raster here means that geotiff from digital elevation model. So we do already have in the previous section the DEM or digital elevation model. We do already have the elevation here, but we want to generate the contour and just go through the processing toolbox here and type contour, or you may go to the raster and yeah, extraction and go to the contour is same basically. So in here there's a pop-up and choose what is the raster you want to be generated and choose the dampness and make it the interval for each contour lines. Make it like 500. So and then this is the attribute name, elevation or z-axis. It's up to you basically. So please do not forget to tick here, because if you untick they will be not pop up or automatically added to your layers. Okay, run. Alright, so the contour has been added here, but we need to go to the top layer. Alright, so we do have already um, the contour, but it seems that the interval or the space between contours is quite big, so we just want to make it so uh, proportional, because we have previously a 500. We just go through the 250. Run. So the processing basically is much longer than the first processing algorithm, because it calculates more than the before. So alright, here here it is. This is the contour line. So if you want to add the just or show the what's called the number of the or the attributes for of the elevation, go to the labels and single lab, and what is the value or the attribute that you want to show. This is the elevation, right? So apply. Okay, make it online to be more okay, 100. Says buffer to be more great visualization, and text format like 7. It's quite professional. Oh, cool. So here it is already. We do have already the contour line with the elevation attribute. So once you get, or once you already generated the contour or whatever processing that you have done, please do not forget to make it permanent, because if you don't make it permanent and you close, even you have saved it, um, the the shape file, this is the type, this type is shape file, this shape file will not be added to your local disk. So please uh, be mindful to make it permanent, or just click here. And what is the format? As the shape file, and file name, just find browsing here. Okay, and just okay. Okay, cool. Thank you.